don't know how well you can pick that up, but got a nice little fog hanging over Guy Fish Park here. Pretty cool looking. What's happening, guys? So I'm just making a stupid little video here because I'm actually trying out another camera angle. As you can see, I do not have my Hero 5 Black up here. It's actually in here. I have my Hero 5 Session back down there, catching a different angle. Just curious, I want to see what it's like. So, because in a couple weeks, getting ready to do another ride with the boys, much like the Road Apple ride, but this is going to be a tour of Bucks County covered bridges. It's pretty much so the same guys that went on the Road Apple ride, but we're adding a few more. So I figured I'd test out this camera angle to see what it looks like. So if you're actually seeing this video, it looks fine. If you're not seeing this video, then you're not seeing it, and you won't know any different anyway. So yeah, so I'm just trying this out, you know. So like I said, all the guys are from the last ride, as far as I know. As long as nothing has changed, are riding in this next ride. And yeah, I got to thinking about it. All these guys were cool. You know, we all had a good time. I've always been told that once you get a group of people together, there's always one asshole in that group. And when you can't figure out who that asshole is, it's normally you. So the group of guys we were in, they all seem pretty cool. So I guess it boils down to, I was the asshole of the group that day. So it's pretty funny if you ask me. But yeah, I just find that humorous, actually. You know, I got a weird sense of humor. And yes, as you can see, my fuel light is on. It's telling me I need fuel. Look at that. I could probably ride back and forth to work another day or two. You know? Oh, it's only 20 miles round trip. So hopefully this other camera angle comes out good. I've used the rear crash bars before, long time ago. I don't know why, but I will throw the video up here somewhere. I'll link it. But yeah, that was like back in the early days, my first few videos. So I think I put it on the other side of the bike though, and it was facing forward instead of facing backwards. So this one's facing backwards. So hopefully if I'm in mid-pack where I'm not riding in the back, I'll be able to pick up the guys behind me. And obviously with a camera on the helmet, I'll be able to pick up the guys in front of me. And still probably have the camera right there, so you can see my pretty face, you know, even though you can't see my pretty face, because it's not a pretty face, but I got a helmet on. So hopefully it comes out good. Alright guys, I am gonna end this shit right now. So I'm a little tired though. It's been a long week. So until next time, my friends, please stay safe and love one another.